Welcome back. Now in this video, we'll look at the business-related social media app, LinkedIn. And when you go to the search bar and you write in LinkedIn, and then select LinkedIn, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, what you'll see is that LinkedIn primarily does not have triggers. It's based on actions. So in order to have LinkedIn as part of an automated process, you'll need to trigger an activity with another application. And while many are directly related to other social media applications, there are others with RSS, WordPress, Eventbrite, and MailChimp. And that is not a comprehensive list. So if you were looking primarily to interact with LinkedIn and automate some of the processes because some of the work that you do on that social media site, you can look through the applications to note what you can automate in terms of driving content to LinkedIn. So in this case, we're going to share new Facebook page post to LinkedIn, and we're going to click Use this Zap. And again, basically, this Zap shares all of the posts that you make on a particular page to your LinkedIn newsfeed. So the first thing we're going to do is click Create this Zap. And we're going to set the trigger at Post to the timeline. And we're going to connect an account. Now to do this, we are going to need to allow Zapier to publish as pages. So we're going to click OK. When we get to this page, we're then going to click Test. And we'll get Success. And then we're going to click Save and Continue. What we'll need to do now is pick a specific fan page that we are using. Once we have it, we'll then click Continue. We'll then need to click Fetch and Continue to test our connection. Zapier will confirm our test. We'll then click Continue. And then we'll pick the account where we're going to be sharing an update through our Facebook page. And we'll do that by connecting a LinkedIn account. We'll then need to give Zapier permission to access our account. Once we do that, then our account is connected. We'll then test the connection. Once we get success, we will then click Save and Continue. Zapier will now have our test data ready. We'll then click Continue. And then we'll send the test to LinkedIn. Once we've done that, we'll then click Finish. And then our Zap is turned on. We'll then confirm that that post is now on our newsfeed in LinkedIn. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.